Hello everyone, today I will show you how to save Instagram video to camera roll. And here's how it's done. Open Instagram on your phone and locate the video you want to save. If it is your own video, tap your profile icon at the bottom right. Open the post or reel you want to save. Tap the arrow or share icon, then select the download icon if available. The video will be saved directly to your phone's gallery. If it is someone else's video, Instagram doesn't allow direct downloads. Instead, use the screen recording feature on iPhone. Swipe down from the top right and tap screen recording. Start recording, play the video, then stop when done. The video will be saved in your gallery. On Android, swipe down to access screen record. If it is not there, check your settings to enable it. Alternatively, use a third-party tool. Tap the three dots on the video and select copy link. Open a browser and search for an Instagram video downloader. Paste the link on a trusted website and download the video. Be cautious with third-party apps or sites. They may ask for unnecessary permissions. And that is everything you need to know about how to save Instagram video to camera roll. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.